Hi there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for expert automotive display repairs, servicing and parts. Today, we will be highlighting the full display touchscreen repair service for the 2013 to 2021 Toyota Aygo Gen 2 Sat Nav onboard computer display. If your unit is experiencing a delayed response, unresponsive areas, or a completely failed touchscreen, this service has been designed to resolve exactly that. Here you can see an example of a faulty display suffering from touchscreen failure. At Cluster Repairs UK, we offer a full touchscreen repair service, backed by a lifetime warranty to provide complete peace of mind. And now, after repair using a brand new original touchscreen, you can see the result. Fully responsive and looking as good as new. Established in 1986, Cluster Repairs UK operates from 2 UK locations and is proud to offer award-winning customer service. With decades of experience, we are a name you can trust. If you require any further information or assistance, simply click the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always here to help. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in store, or arranged as a while-you-wait appointment. Thank you for watching. We look forward to assisting you with your repair.